Welcome to my room at the Queensberry Hotel in Bath, England. I'll give you a quick tour here. So I'm in room 31, which is here, if that matters. And it's a old building. I'll have to find out how old it is maybe. But there's all kinds of stairs up and down all over the place. It's a real maze trying to get around. It's kind of fun. So here's my room. Excuse the mess. We've got a couch, a crazy parrot on the wall, lamp, and I believe this is a queen size bed. I'll double check. So we got 2 bedside tables. When I first arrived, it was nice. They had me sit down and have a cup of coffee or tea in the lounge. And then meanwhile, they brought my luggage up to my room, which was nice for me not to have to carry it up all those maze of stairs. And then the front desk person actually walked me to my room and walked in, and they had classical music playing softly on the little stereo thing they have over there, and had all the lights on, and she gave me the tour. So anyway, really nice place. Feels very special. They seem to give you a feeling that they care about the guests. So I've enjoyed it a lot. Look how low these door handles are. I have to bend over to reach the door handle. Anyway, they give the nice bottle of water every day, which I think is complimentary. I hope so. I've been drinking them all. Here's the bathroom. Nice sink and shower. And the shower comes with these cleansing and hair and body wash and conditioner, which are pretty nice. So we got a handheld shower head and an overhead shower, waterfall shower, I guess you call it. And then you've got your toilet here, and you've got a view from the toilet if you choose. There are blinds that come down, but pretty cool view of the bath. The room comes with a robe, and I think that's about it. Very nice room, very comfortable, big TV, lots of selections plus apps on it, so you can hook up your Netflix or YouTube or whatever you need. And then you can look at this crazy bird while you go to sleep. Oh yeah, it's a trek.